the Tool Pros Podcast.
What's up, guys? I wanted to show off the 20-volt Max Inflator. I know I've shown it off on my Instagram a little bit more, but I wanted to take a minute to show it off. I had to put some air in my tire here, so just wanted to show off some of the cool features of it. This one is really nice. It is on the 20-volt platform. There are some others out there that are on the, like the Milwaukee has the M12, and then I think Ryobi has one also. But here in the end, you'll find you can also run this off a corded adapter for a cigarette lighter, which is really nice. So you have dual power, so in case you have in those roadside, rescue situations where your batteries are dead or something like that. On the front here, you have the power button, and then you have your gauge here, and then you spin this dial around, and that'll crank up your pressure. So we want to get this one up to about 35 psi. And then we have your inflate or your mass deflate. That's what this is here for, mass inflation or mass deflation, which is really nice. Then you also have a light. So there's a light on the end, so if you get in those situations where you're in the dark on the side of the road, that's what that light's going to help you out with for just a little bit. Not super bright, but it's just to help you kind of find the area that you need, find the valve stem and things like that. Over here on the end, you have a couple different fittings, for filling up basketballs, things like that, and that's what those are for. The hose rolls back around and clips in right here, which is really nice. So let's fill it up and see how it does. Oh, my battery went dead. I just had one bar left on this 2.0 when I started. So this thing will flash to let you know it's starting to go dead. Just want to show that. And it will shut off whenever it reaches the point automatically. You don't have to push the button or anything like that. I might fast forward that part where you guys can see that. And, where you don't have to sit there and watch it. It's not a speed demon by any means, but it absolutely does get the job done.